Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be making a very quick weekday dinner. This one, we're going to be putting potatoes, onions, and peppers into our pan and topping it off with some linguica. And while this bakes in the oven, all the flavors are going to mingle together and the potatoes are going to become so creamy and delicious. I make this at least once a month and you soon will be too. Now let's get started. To make this quick dinner, I have here about 10 Yukon Gold potatoes. These have been peeled and I'm chopping them up into cubes, and I'm adding these to my sheet pan along with some bell peppers and some sliced up onions if you like. Now if you guys are new to my channel, I post every other day, so be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you won't miss out. This is a Linguica Portuguese sausage. It has a wonderful smoky garlic taste. I'm going to be slicing this up and adding it to the pan as well. To finish this off, I'm going to be drizzling the potatoes with a bit of olive oil and seasoning them with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika for that wonderful color. Now give it a good mix, and I'm going to be covering this pan tightly to seal it shut with some aluminum foil, and I'm popping this into the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, remove the foil and allow everything to brown and get a bit toasty on top, and this dinner is ready to enjoy. The potatoes become so creamy on the inside and pick up on the unique flavor of the linguica with all the other ingredients which go together so well. This will be a really enjoyable experience at your next dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please stay tuned for future recipes.